Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Point, and my name is Nitin Gupta, and today I am going to talk about Capgemini company information, and I will tell you what does Capgemini do and give you some important facts about Capgemini. In addition with this, I will tell you how can you get job in Capgemini company, and guys, if you are going to give your HR interview at Capgemini, then this video is very helpful for you because I have discussed many HR interview questions in this video. So guys, this video is very important for you, so please watch this video completely to clear your all doubts. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, as you know, Capgemini is a French multinational company situated in Paris, France. The company is a global market leader in the field of business consulting, technology and outsourcing services. Capgemini helps its client by developing their business with the help of technology and digital solutions that fit their needs, thus enabling them to achieve digitalization and innovation. Capgemini has over 270,000 employees in over 50 countries, of whom 120,000 employees are in India. So guys, let's talk about Capgemini history. So guys, Capgemini was founded by Serge Camp in the year of 1967 as a data processing company. The company was initially inaugurated as Sogeti. In 1974, Sogeti acquired Gemini Computer System, a US company, and in 1975, with the acquisition of both Cap and Gemini Computer System, Sogeti renamed itself as Capgemini Sogeti. In year 1996, all operating companies were rebranded to operate as Capgemini. In the year of 2002, Capgemini reintroduced its Sogeti brand, thus creating a new entity in the market. The new company is focused on delivering IT services to a specific range of markets. The tagline of the company is "People Matter, Results Count." So guys, let's talk about some important facts about Capgemini. So guys, company is a multinational company. The services are offered by Capgemini are IT, business consulting and outsourcing services. The revenue of the company is around 15.95 billion US dollar as per 2020. The CEO of the company is Paul Hermelin. The number of employees working in Capgemini are 270,000 as per 2020. The headquarters of the company situated in Paris, France. So guys, let's talk about what are the products and services offered by Capgemini. So guys, Capgemini provides consulting services, technology services, outsourcing services and local professional services. So guys, these are the services offered by Capgemini. So guys, let's talk about some important HR interview questions which are based on company information and can be asked in HR interview. So guys, the questions are: who is the founder of the company? When was Capgemini founded? Who is the current CEO of the company? What is the revenue and employee count? What are the products and services offered by Capgemini? And where is the headquarters of company situated? So guys, this is all about today's video, and I have already made similar videos on TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and Capgemini. And guys, I have also made recruitment process and selection process videos on these companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and many more. So guys, you can watch those videos by visiting my channel or the link given in description box. You guys can watch those videos by clicking on I button. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel. So guys, if you have any doubt related to this video, so you can ask over comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. All social media profile links are given in description box. You can follow me on Instagram and ask your doubt in Instagram. I will help you and provide best solution regarding any placement preparation, regarding any placement guidance. So you can follow me in Instagram and ask your doubts over Instagram. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.